Okay, continuing with the Tarmac reviews, I'm gonna review this Ferrari F40 lightweight from Tarmac. Rosso, what's it called again? What's this red called? Okay, just red. Alright, the color is just red, and there you go, I'm gonna review it. So first thing I noticed is it's pretty good. It's pretty good, but this rear wing doesn't really match the other colors that are on the car. So it's a separate piece, this upper rear wing, and you see it. Yeah, it's pretty obvious there. The line, which should be a continuous piece, so no lines there. But hey, it's a tough casting, and this is the best they could do, so alright, I'm gonna leave it to there. Um, Brake calipers, nicely done. They seem to be a gold color. The brake discs, obviously, you can see them pretty clearly. The calipers, not so much. The tires, Goodyear Eagle. Pretty interesting. I'm not sure if the F40 lightweight had these tires as a stock option. Round to the top, you can see the engine bay, pretty nice. Yeah, nothing to critique yet. These little what you call them? These are the fuel. Are these actually the fuel caps? I don't know, but there are three of them, and they look nice. I can't tell if these are actually the fuel caps because there shouldn't be three. All right, so there's definitely one that's a fuel cap. The rest, I don't know. Unfortunately, this car does not roll well. It rolls terribly. So I'm not even gonna bother taking it off the plaque, because trust me on that, it rolls terribly. The interior, it's gray, black steering wheel, one seater, of course, because it's the F40 lightweight version. On the seats, it has a yellow harness. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to see that well. There you go, red seat, yellow harness. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah, so pretty basic interior. On the exterior, the headlights look pretty nice, honestly. It's good. It's not bad. The Ferrari logo, very small. I can't tell if it's done well or not, but it's pretty small. So the only thing I'd say I do not like with this casting is this top part of the rear wing. Yeah, this just does not look very good, but yeah, it happens. So other than that, I think I can critique the back, because the back end looks a bit basic for Tarmac. I'm pretty sure Tomica has the same level of details at the back, so I think they could have done better around these exhausts, because they're really basic. It's just black paint over three bumps, which is a shame, because from the sides, from the top, from the front, it looks like a Tarmac. It looks good. It looks like Tarmac quality, but from this back end, not so much, and this rear wing, not so much again. But hey, I like these three little dots there. I don't know what they are still, fuel caps, whatever. But I like them, and they are detailed. This window, very nice. Oh, it's on the other side as well, which is weird, because yeah, okay, whatever. Um, yeah, it looks solid. The rims are okay, nothing too bad, nothing bad. And also, I've got the card here, so XO Tarmac works. I've got number 2331, limited edition. Yeah, so overall, I'd wait for the F40 BBR, because I'm a huge fan of BBR and what they are doing right now with the 164s, and I think they can beat this. I genuinely do. It looks good otherwise. It looks pretty good. Just this rear end. They need to fix this rear end. But overall, pretty solid. Pretty solid. I'll give it a 8.5. Is it harsh? I don't know, but I'd give it an 8.5 because there is a lot of better brands that can do resin F40s, very detailed. So unfortunately, I think it just misses the mark. It's the Tarmac, so I am lenient with it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, but it's rear end. So if you want to display it from the front or from the sides, go ahead. But if you're gonna park it like this, get a resin F40. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll upload a bit more this week. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.